Hey there, fellow remote warriors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the greatest challenges known to mankind, working from home with small children. If you're trying to juggle conference calls while your toddler is using the couch as a trampoline, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about mornings. If you can manage to wake up before your kids, you've struck gold. That early morning quiet time is like an oasis in the middle of the chaos desert. You get to sip your coffee, maybe answer a few emails, and for a brief, shining moment, you feel like you've got this whole WFH thing down. Of course, this magical time ends the moment your kids wake up. But hey, enjoy it while it lasts. Next, let's discuss the art of distraction. The key here is to have a rotating stash of toys, books, and yes, even screen time ready to go. Pro tip, messy snacks are your best friend. If it takes them 20 minutes to eat, that's 20 more minutes you can attend your Zoom meeting in peace. If your kids still nap, cherish it. Nap time is your golden hour for productivity. Schedule your most important calls or deep work during this time. And if your kid decides to skip their nap, well, just remember bedtime is coming, eventually. Setting boundaries is great in theory. In reality, you'll probably end up with a toddler crashing your Zoom call to announce their latest potty success. Invest in noise-canceling headphones and develop a strong mute button reflex. And don't worry, everyone else on the call has probably been there too. Solidarity, folks. Here's a little trick, the 5-minute rule. When your kid demands attention right when you're in the middle of something, tell them you'll be with them in 5 minutes. This gives you a little breathing room to wrap up what you're doing, and they'll, hopefully, be satisfied with the countdown. But be warned, kids have a radar for broken promises, so be ready when that timer goes off. Sometimes you just have to embrace the chaos. Working from home with small kids is like trying to herd cats. It's wild, it's unpredictable, and honestly, it's pretty hilarious when you think about it. So laugh it off and remember, everyone's in the same boat. If you're lucky enough to have a partner at home, tag teaming is a lifesaver. One person handles the kids in the morning, the other in the afternoon. If you're on your own, see if you can trade off with another parent in the same boat. Even an hour of uninterrupted work can make a huge difference. Finally, be kind to yourself. Some days will be great, and others will be a disaster. That's just life with kids. Remember, you're doing the best you can, and that's more than enough. And there you have it. Working from home with small children is no easy feat, but with a little creativity, a lot of patience, and a sense of humor, you can make it work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on surviving the work-from-home jungle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.